Okay guys, we're back in the shop again. We've got the frame ready to be cut and sized. We just redid this panel for the Roadrunner because you can see that it's a fine metal flake, but this is what the original looked like. So damn, it's hard to see here, but the flake is so big it looks horrible. And then just for the fun of it, I started working on the colors for the bike, the Dragon bike. That's the head part. That looks killer. I love that.
It looks good.
So that's what's going on so far. Okay guys, it is Wednesday. And at this point, I've had a weird day. The computer on my '05 Dodge kind of took a crap. So I had to get in and do a bunch of stuff. So I ordered a new one. I fixed the old one for now. It's probably going to last about a week. But at least I can drive it because that's what I got to drive. And we'll go from there. On a high note, I started to do my guitar. Love the color. We'll see what it comes out like when it's dry, but it didn't exactly do what I wanted it to do. It's supposed to come out with a it's green, blue, and purple paint, or flip-flop paint, or chameleon paint, or whatever you want to call it. This is what it was supposed to look like. And if you look, you can see the purple and the green and the blue, depending on how you twist and turn it. Love that color. All right, guys, like and subscribe, and we will see you guys later.